Now, Way 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 Triple Doppler.
I like it when they play your song, but I'm glad you're not singing the same old song today. Aren't you
Exactly.
glad
I know, no severe weather, no severe weather today. Demetra, what does that make us do?
That makes us dance and pose.
Her daughter always does that dance move, and that's how I'm feeling today because we finally
Notice you
don't
can't
have severe
dance.
weather. But you make us laugh, so you make it work.
That too.
Yeah, so we're going to see a little bit of rain today, but not all of us will see it. However, it is already starting to move into our area. So if you are in the Shoals, well, you'll have some rain knocking on your door any minute now. 11:21 this morning, and what we're seeing in Mississippi is widespread showers with storms to the south. Now, these storms are going to stay south of Birmingham. They're not going to make it into the direct Tennessee Valley, but a little bit closer to home, one or two of us will see some showers as we head through the rest of the afternoon. They are benign, and not all of us will see that rain. Take a look at the Way 31 Skycam network, powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction. 76 in Decatur, 75 in Huntsville. We're seeing some haze, some cloud cover. It's kind of a gloomy day, but if you're like me, I actually love these days where it's kind of peaceful and the sun's not shining quite as bright. It allows you to just stay home and relax. You know what I'm saying? So let's use it as a peaceful day. As we head through the rest of the morning and afternoon, we'll see those isolated rain chances develop throughout the area. Now, this model is showing a little bit later arrival, and I think more of us will see rain than what this is showing. However, it will be confined mainly to our southern counties, and again, it is not going to be severe. It's just going to be a little bit of rain that stays with us through the afternoon and then gets out of our system. So when you're heading home from work at 5:30, or 6 tonight, conditions will be dry. We'll keep the cloud cover, but your commute home should be good to go. Our high temperature on this Tuesday will sit in the mid-80s, and we're going to keep that cloud cover with us all throughout the day. We're also going to have a gusty breeze, so if you are headed out and about, you might have to put on a baseball hat because we're going to have a little bit of wind in the area. Now tomorrow, the severe weather is back, and many of us are in that yellow level 2 out of 5 risk. In green in eastern Sand Mountain and some of our southern counties, you are in a level 1 out of 5 risk. Thursday, the threat continues. In southern Tennessee and the Shoals, you're essentially out of the risk, but then along and east of the I-65 corridor on Thursday, you are in a level 1 out of 5. Again, the biggest threats that we're watching are going to be those 60 to 70 mile an hour winds and up to nickel, quarter, and even ping pong ball sized hail. Now, the tornado threat is very low, but it is never zero. So we do need to stay weather aware as we head through the next several days. I'll go ahead and warn you, we're going to stay on future radar here for a while. We'll start to see 1 or 2 sprinkles in the Shoals around 10 a.m. on your Wednesday. So it'll start early, but those are short-lived. This is just the outflow before we get to the real storm system. At 3 o'clock, we'll see stronger storms develop in southern Tennessee and continue to track east. And then closer to dinner time, that's when we start to see our main line of storms really develop. This continues to strengthen and push east as we head into 10:30. So if you do live east of the corridor on Wednesday night, you're going to be falling asleep to thunderstorm activity. So I need you to stay weather aware with us and make sure you have a way to get warnings even in the wee hours of the morning. We'll see another line of storms, stronger at that, develop around midnight and continue to track east through 4 a.m. When we wake up at 6:30 though, that should be out of our system. Now, we've been working with the timing of this. It's all dependent on where a high pressure and low pressure system are going to meet. And those have kind of been duking it out. So we'll have to see exactly, but right now it's looking like that's going to be out of our way by the time you wake up Thursday at 6:30. We will still have some backfill though of thunderstorms in our southern counties staying with us through the morning time, and then some isolated showers throughout the rest of the afternoon, but those will be very, very brief. Just pop-ups here 1 second and then gone the next. All in all, take a look at this 10-day. Now, the month of August is usually the driest month of the year in North Alabama, and we're looking at almost a full 10 days of sporadic rain. Now, no day is going to be an all-out washout, but it is looking like we're going to have rain and storm chances every day but next Tuesday.
So a whole week.
I know, next Tuesday
7
made
whole
it easy
days.
on me. The other ones, though, they're coming for me.
As crazy as summer's been, I can't help but wonder what winter's going to be like.
Yeah, exactly. So we're in an El Nino year, and it just switched over just a few months ago. So that means a less active hurricane season. It means a colder and rainier winter for us in the south. I know. You're going to get to use your fireplace this
Yes, I
year.
am. I was just telling Dee this morning,
We
it's time
were
to start
talking
thinking about firewood.
We were talking about that.
I love it.
Thank you, Grace.
Thank you.
Well, today